What's up everybody? My name is Will Orog, host of We Evolve Dance, and today I'm going to teach you how to dance salsa. So there are many styles of salsa. There's Los Angeles style, there's New York style, Puerto Rican style, Colombian style, and Cuban style. I am going to be teaching you the Los Angeles style, or also known as on one. So the first thing you're going to do is step forward with your left leg, and here we go. So I step forward with my left leg. Now I replace that spot back with my right, and then I close with my left. Okay, let's do that again. And forward, replace, together. Again, forward, replace, together. One more time, forward, replace, together. Last time, forward, replace, together. Bravo. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to step back with our right. Same idea, but going backwards now. So we go right foot back, replace with the left, and close. Let's do it again. And right, left, close. Good job. Right, left, close. Again, right, left, close, and right, left, close. One more time, right, left, close. Okay, so here we go. Let's put them both together. And forward with my left, 2, 3. Back with my right, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Now let's go to the lateral step. So I'm going to step with my left leg, 1. I'm going to replace with my right leg in the same place and then close back with my left leg. Okay, here we go. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Last time. And 1, 2, 3. Let's do the same thing, but now on the right-hand side. Same idea. I step with my right leg, replace with my left, and close. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Out, replace, together. Step out, replace, together. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So now let's go side to side. Here we go. And 1, 2, together. Out, 2, together. 1, 2, together. Out, 2, together. And 1, 2, together. Out, 2, together. 1, 2, together. And out, 2, together.
To the side. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7.
That's our second step out of the 3, the lateral step, or side to side. Now let's go to our third and final step of this tutorial. And here we come to the third and final basic step of our series. This is called the cross behind, or Abanico. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cross with your left leg behind. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it again. And cross with the right, replace with the left, and open. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's do the second part. So, same idea. Cross behind with your right leg this time. And 1, replace with your left, 2, and open up back again with the right. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. All right, excellent.
Let's cross behind now. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7.
All right, let's do those 3 steps now with music. Here we go. Left leg forward. Now let's see them done to the side. So a few things about the salsa. The salsa has a count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We purposely miss 4 and 8 because those are what we call the pauses in the music, or the breaks. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how us salsa dancers and people who listen to music are able to tell the cue of when we should enter and not enter. So the general rule of thumb is the lead will always step forward with the left leg, and the follow will always step back with the right leg. Okay, and same with the sides. Left for the lead, right for the follow, left cross behind for the lead, and right cross behind for the follow. One of the things I want to tell you guys about is whichever pattern that helps you remember the count and it tells you which foot to step forward or back with, that's the one that you want to go with. So for you, if it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, or it's orange, black, orange, orange, black, orange, or it's step out, replace together, step out, replace together. If that's how you need to count it and remember it, then go ahead and do that because that's what's going to work best for you. Another thing I want you guys also to make sure you're doing is to bend those knees, right? Salsa is not usually danced like this. So really bend those knees. Feel that what you're doing is nice and relaxed. Nothing should be super forced. Everything here is all about going forward and back or side to side in a semi-relaxed position, huh? If you're too relaxed, you're like this, and then this doesn't really, that's really hard to dance with someone like that, okay? So make sure that you're just nice and relaxed and you can follow on the count. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to dance salsa, the 3 basic steps that everyone should learn so they can start on the dance floor. If you found some value in this video and really liked it, go ahead and smash that like button and of course, subscribe down below here. Yes, I'm looking down below because there is a subscribe button and the little notification bell button next to it. That lets you know when all my new videos are coming out and it will go directly to your mail. Also, in the description below, there are links to where you can buy certain dance shoes for the style of dance that we are dancing. Salsa, bachata. There's also some other links that you might want to participate in. So go ahead and check it out. And again, this is Will Orrock, host of We Evolve Dance, and I hope you really enjoyed this salsa tutorial, and I hope to see you on the dance floor.